Hi, welcome to the Bowel Gut Project. My name is Carrie. This is all about being vegan with irritable bowel syndrome, so on the low FODMAP diet. And one of the very annoying things the low FODMAP diet cuts out is garlic. It's a massive trigger for lots of people. So one of the things you can do to get that garlic flavour is use garlic-infused olive oil. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own. So since being on this low FODMAP adventure, I have been getting through a lot of garlic olive oil. I buy this stuff, usually from Sainsbury's or Tesco's without chunks of garlic in the bottom, just because then there's no chance you've accidentally eaten some actual garlic. But it's quite pricey. I think I probably buy one of these at least once a month. And they're over £2 for 250ml, which is quite a lot compared to if you bulk buy olive oil. And of course, if you do that, you can very easily turn it into some garlic-infused oil, which I will show you how to do now. So we're going to start by peeling our garlic cloves and cutting off the root end. This helps reduce the risk of contamination by the bacteria which produces the botulin toxin, which really isn't fun to consume. So we're going to put those garlic cloves in the pan. I'm going to cover it in about a cup's worth of olive oil. We don't want to make too much because of that risk of contamination. We want enough that we can eat within 2 weeks. So no waste, just make a small amount. Then we're going to gently heat it up for about 10-15 minutes, simmering until it's nice and golden. And then at that point, I'm going to leave it to cool for the rest of the day or just a few hours until, it's cooled down. And that gives it a chance to really take on the garlic flavour. When I'm ready to bottle it up, I'm going to sterilise a jar. I've just thoroughly washed it with, washing up liquid, popping it in a hot oven for 10 minutes. And then I'm going to strain the garlic oil. I'm doing this with a sieve here, but if I had a muslin cloth, I would definitely lay that on top to make sure there was absolutely no little pieces of garlic making its way in, because that could contain some FODMAP. And then you're left with some lovely, flavourful garlic-infused olive oil, which you can use for salad dressing, stir fries, any recipe you'd put garlic in. And yeah, consume within 2 weeks and enjoy. And as an extra tip, if you combine the homemade garlic oil with some chopped chives, no one is missing the onion. It works so well, and obviously then your tummy will be fine. So I hope that was useful and it's inspired you to make your own garlic oil, save a bit of money and have some fun with the flavours. Actually, I'd love to know, so please comment down below if you have any particular flavour combinations you like. I definitely want to put some chilli in at some point because I do love some chilli oil. Like and subscribe if you want some more. I make low FODMAP vegan videos for every Sunday evening. Yeah, until then, bye, have a nice week.